Hello.
Hello.
So we had a different plan for today's video, but the weather has been a lot.
It's raining a lot.
Very much April showers at the moment.
Well, and hailstones.
Yes. So we thought that today we would do another room in Charleston House, our 1920s doll's house that we purchased with contents.
Apologies for the state of my nails. That part of the plan of this film that we didn't put up was showing our new allotment that we have just managed to get after 2 years of being on a waiting list.
Yes. An allotment, for our American viewers, if you don't know, is a small patch of land that you rent from the council and you grow vegetables and plants on it.
Yeah, so we've been quite busy doing that,
Yes.
trying to get things in and weeding it, and yes, and my nails are a bit mucky.
But hope you enjoy. Let's see the master bedroom. So there are a couple of spots throughout the whole house that clearly had something stuck up, and a selection of wall-mounted things in the box of contents, and we have sort of played a game of fit the shape, and I think we've done it
I think we've done it.
100% accurately,
Yeah.
I'd say. So there's two things you can see above the fireplace, the mantle in here, and on the side.
That has been apart for quite some time, I imagine. Looks very old, doesn't it?
Mm.
There's this lady in a tin. Dicky wax on the back. I love the little clock.
I know. So I suppose we start with the biggest item.
It's the carpet.
Oh, that's the yeah.
There were carpets in here originally. I can't remember which room, but I don't think they have to necessarily. A purpley one and a light blue one. And I don't know which looks best in this room. So I'll try both. I might have to get some scissors and trim them though. Purpley one. Blue one looks like it's too big. Don't know.
I think I like the purple one.
I think that this one might be okay in the nursery because
Nursery,
it goes
yeah.
with the fun of the furniture and colours of the things, doesn't it?
Mhm.
So we'll go purpley. I need scissors then to trim it. The very large wardrobe that we bought at an antique shop. It does open. Quite cute. Here It's the only place you can go that
Yeah.
doesn't block pictures and things. We have you want to put the hat box on top of it? We've got this trunk, handmade trunk, little label. Where does it say it's going? I can't read that.
It says it's off to Paris.
Ah, nice. Go with the hat box. Maybe I should put the hat box here, otherwise you can't really see. Do also have a hat.
Very fancy hat
The very fancy hat.
for her trip to Paris.
This is the bed. This is the covers we made in another video. So I think that goes quite well with the purple, doesn't it?
Mm.
And did we decide it would go here, or is it going to come out, or do we like that?
It might be covered by the dresser if you do it like that.
Shall I put the dresser in and see?
Yeah.
This was the dresser that came with the house, which is beautiful. But we're going to have to put it here, and unfortunately it's going to have to cover up that. And they put a lot of pictures in here. It doesn't cover it up too much, does it?
I suppose not. What's going to go in the corner now?
Chair.
Okay.
And then there's a chair. At an angle or straight on?
Oh, at an angle looks quite nice, doesn't it? To see.
And this is the things that came with it. It's like a basin. I think it is like a washer for like hand basin and jug. So is that not going to be in the way of the door now?
Maybe if the chair's at an angle, it is. Maybe the chair can't be at an angle.
It's still in the way of the door?
No, only just slightly. There you go.
I don't think this jug was actually supposed to go with the bowl because it doesn't stand up very well. And there was this chair that we got with a lot.
Seen better days, but
Yes.
it works.
I don't know if the cushion should go like that or...
Yeah, like that.
Okay. But it fits. Oh, it looks cosy.
Do the dresser.
Yeah. Doily. Don't know if this is going to be too big for it, but so this is something else we got in a lot. It's like a little picture frame, little King and Queen, who are Mary and.
George V and Queen Mary.
So hopefully it's not going to be too big. Is it too big?
I think the size is alright. And it fits perfectly because King George, he was king from 1910 to 1936.
Ah,
So for the 1920s house, it's perfect.
perfect. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I put another carpet on the carpet.
Nice. Looks very cosy.
It does look very cosy. Okay, so you think these?
Yeah, I think so.
Those are all the beautiful, beautiful flowers that we got with the house. They're all like pottery, aren't they?
Individual flowers.
Yeah, they're beautiful. Here, I'll take one out. So, in front of them?
Yeah.
This is a little tray. There, with a vanity. And then in various lots.
Mm-hmm.
So this one was a lid of something, I think, but it'd be like a cold cream. Actually, I might take the.
Yeah.
I'll bring it back in again in a minute. This is a little box that we got from a lot too. Still screw. Well, it's screwed, but it doesn't screw anymore.
No.
But it is a bit damaged, unfortunately. But we'll turn it.
Very cute though.
It is beautiful, isn't it? There?
Yeah.
Yeah? Because we've got
Mm-hmm.
a candlestick. I don't know if this one's too big though.
I think that looks good.
Here?
Nice.
The shaving cup. Morning exercise.
Listen to that
chair.
wind.
I know, it's really windy. Hat on the chair.
Nice.
Got a coat hanger, but I don't really know what to do with it.
Lovely.
It is, isn't
Put
it?
on the end of the bed.
Yeah, I don't, I need some clothing on it, but we don't have any.
I wonder if you could tack it onto the side of the wardrobe. Via the wood, not
Oh,
via
yeah.
the hanging bit. Yeah.
We're going to have to make something to hang on this.
Yes, we are.
Or should it look like it's sort of connected to the top of the wardrobe? You can hear the rain in the background. Some shoes from a lot. I mean, they're modern shoes, but they're...
She's just bought them brand new from Paris.
Yeah. Where would she leave them? She'd just sort of leave them abandoned. Or is she neat or is she
I
abandoned?
mean, there's space under the dresser, isn't there?
You want under here?
Or just, yeah, like there.
In a pair?
Yeah. She does have a new baby, but... Now the mantle.
Yep. Shall I use these?
No, I think it might be too big.
Oh. Wow, it's raining a lot.
It really is.
I can't see if that's is that on the end? Are they even or not?
I don't think I like it.
You don't like them?
I don't know.
They make it look sunnier, cheerier, don't they?
I think I'd...
Oh, okay. I'll put them in the children's room then.
yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'm going to put these ones on instead. These are more of the beautiful
Hand-picked ones. Yeah,
hand-picked ones.
Yeah.
And the Poco jug that came with the doll's house. If I can make it stand up.
I absolutely love this room. It's beautiful. It's a really lovely bedroom.
Very delicate, isn't
I
it?
really like it. Strangely, it might be my favourite room of the house. Which is crazy. The
That
master
one.
bedroom is never my favourite room of the house. It just looks lived in, but cosy.
More flowers. in the right place or not?
Yeah, I think that looks nice.
Or unless I put
She clearly likes flowers.
this candlestick by the bed, by the chair, so they can read their book. No, the other little candlestick next to the chair, so they can read their book.
Tiny glass bird
Little pink glass bird.
as an ornament.
Wonky.
Lucky boot.
That came with this house. The pet for this room. Little cat with a broken ear. I think he came with it, didn't he?
No.
Oh, he didn't come with it.
No.
Was it from a lot?
Yes.
Oh. Should he go on the chair or the bed? Or the
You
floor?
should go under the chair next to the wardrobe.
Okay.
Just put them there. Cute. And then we have the occupant of this room, who I just love. And she didn't come with the baby, but they work well together.
They
don't
do really
And
work
she's
really well
actually
together.
holding him. It's so sweet. They're so cute. So yeah, and she looks like a fancy lady that's just been to Paris.
Where should I put her?
Sort of standing in front of the wardrobe, I suppose, sort of a bit further back.
Yeah. It does suit it.
She does. It looks really good.
Well, that's the bedroom done. I think it looks really cute. I really like the colours together. But yeah, it looks really, really cosy. We always say that though, don't we?
Yeah, I really, really like it. So it might be my favourite room. I do love her holding the baby.
It
She
does
looks
work.
very good. She's a lovely doll. I love the embroidery of her face. Yeah, and all like the trunks on top of the wardrobe and.
I mean, all the old derriere tin types look really beautiful in there as well. And it's like you're surrounded by your family as well. That's really nice, sort of cosy feeling in the bed. And yeah, mixture of modern and old, but it seems to work, doesn't it?
I think the bedding looks good too. So there is the master bedroom, just the nursery and the 2 hallways to go.
Oh, and the 2 beds in front.
Oh, and the pantry and the garden room. Okay, take it back. I'd say we're about halfway done.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the 3rd room in our Charleston house. I'd just like to say thank you to everybody for all the support, the comments, the likes, the wonderful Patreons. We couldn't do any of this without all of you, and it means the world to us, and we appreciate it all.
Hope you have a wonderful rest of the week, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.